legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be leaking. No, I'm a survivor, the last Mohicans. Rappers bore me, catch me posted on the corner like Hori, or dancing on a show like Maurice.
All right, so you made it to day 13. Congratulations, excellent job. On this particular day and for this step, I think that it is a great time to start to create your founding principles, your rules, if you will. What will you do and what won't you do? This is the time to start to figure that type of information out. What will you do if you're in a position and things start to look pretty bad? Will you sell right away? Will you hold? This is the time to start to figure out that type of information. You don't want to try to figure that out on the spot because you can make a ill-advised decision, all right? Will you only invest in smaller companies, bigger companies? Write this stuff out. Now is the time. You're going to actually sculpt and write your identity and the things that you identify with. And I think this day will be very, very important, not only for now, but moving on into the future.
I'm a legend already, I don't care what you think. And you can lose first place in the blink. I know what you're thinking, he's gonna be